Apple cider vinegar, often praised as a miracle remedy, has been used for centuries for everything from digestion to skincare. But how much of its reputation is backed by science, and how can it be used safely? We'll dive deep into the proven benefits, potential health risks, and the best ways to use apple cider vinegar effectively. Whether you're curious about boosting your health naturally or just exploring wellness trends, today we will talk about apple cider vinegar, benefits, risks, and how to use it properly. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has been hailed for centuries as a powerful natural remedy, household cleaner, and health tonic. Derived from fermented apple juice, ACV is rich in bioactive compounds and has gained popularity in the wellness world for its supposed benefits in everything from digestion and weight management to skincare and blood sugar control. But is the hype justified? We'll explore the science-backed benefits, potential risks, and proper ways to use apple cider vinegar safely and effectively. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is made through a two-step fermentation process. First, crushed apples are combined with yeast to convert their natural sugars into alcohol. In the second step, beneficial bacteria, commonly Acetobacter species, are added, which ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. This results in a sour, acidic liquid known as vinegar. Raw, unfiltered ATV contains a cloudy substance called the mother, which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and beneficial bacteria. The mother is considered the most nutrient-rich part of ACV and is often. What distinguishes unfiltered vinegar from the more refined, pasteurized versions? The main active compounds in apple cider vinegar include acetic acid, the primary component responsible for many of its health effects; probiotics, particularly in unfiltered varieties; antioxidants, such as polyphenols; amino acids in trace amounts. Health benefits of apple cider vinegar. While ACV is not a cure-all, several health benefits are supported by both anecdotal evidence and scientific research. Here's a breakdown of the most notable advantages. 1. Supports blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. One of the most well-documented effects of ACV is its role in regulating blood sugar levels. Acetic acid has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce postprandial after-meal blood glucose spikes. Several small studies have found that consuming ACV before meals can lead to better glycemic control, particularly in people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. A 2004 study published in Diabetes Care found that participants who consumed 2 tablespoons of ACV before a high-carb meal had significantly lower blood sugar and insulin levels than those who didn't. The vinegar slowed gastric emptying and enhanced the uptake of glucose by muscle cells. However, ACV should never replace medical treatment for diabetes, but may be a complementary tool under a healthcare provider's supervision. 2. Aids in digestion and gut health. Unfiltered ACV with the mother contains probiotics, which can promote gut health by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. Additionally, the acetic acid content may enhance stomach acid production, which can aid in the digestion of proteins and improve nutrient absorption. Many people report relief from bloating and indigestion after consuming diluted ACV before meals. The acidity may mimic stomach acid for those with low stomach acid, hypochlorhydria, supporting the initial breakdown of food in the stomach. That said, while there is strong anecdotal evidence, more scientific studies are needed to confirm ACV's impact on digestive health specifically. 3. Weight management and appetite control. Apple cider vinegar has also been marketed as a weight loss aid. Though not a miracle solution, ACV can support weight management in several indirect ways. Increased satiety. Acetic acid may suppress appetite, leading to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. Reduced fat storage. Some animal studies suggest that acetic acid might inhibit fat accumulation and improve metabolism. Slower digestion of starches. This results in a more gradual rise in blood sugar and insulin, which can reduce hunger. In a notable 2009 Japanese study published in Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry, obese participants who took 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar daily for 12 weeks experienced modest weight loss and decreased belly fat. While these effects are typically mild, ACV may help amplify the benefits of a healthy diet and exercise regimen. 4. Antimicrobial and antifungal properties. ACV has been used for centuries as a natural disinfectant and food preservative due to its powerful antimicrobial effects. Acetic acid can kill many strains of harmful bacteria and fungi, including E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Candida albicans. This makes it useful not only for preserving food but also for treating skin infections, minor wounds, dandruff, and even as a natural household cleaner. Topical ACV solutions, always diluted, are sometimes used for skin conditions like acne and eczema, scalp care for dandruff and itchiness, foot soaks for athletes' foot and nail fungus. However, because it is highly acidic, improper topical use can damage the skin barrier, especially in sensitive individuals. 5. Improves heart health. Emerging research. Emerging animal studies suggest that ACV may offer cardiovascular benefits by lowering blood pressure, reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, raising HDL, good cholesterol, improving triglyceride levels. These effects are likely linked to acetic acid and its ability to improve lipid metabolism. However, human studies are still limited, and more clinical trials are needed to verify these benefits conclusively. 6. May enhance skin health and pH balance. The skin naturally has an acidic pH, which supports the protective barrier and healthy microbiome. ACV, when properly diluted, can help restore this balance. It's sometimes used in toners and facial rinses to manage acne-causing bacteria, scalp rinses for balancing oil production, bath soaks for eczema and itchy skin. Due to its acid content, however, undiluted vinegar can cause skin burns, especially on open wounds or sensitive areas, so extreme caution and proper dilution are essential. Potential risks and side effects of apple cider vinegar. Despite its many touted benefits, apple cider vinegar is not without risks. Overuse or improper use can lead to several complications. 1. Tooth enamel erosion. One of the most common risks of consuming undiluted ACV is dental erosion. Its high acidity can weaken enamel, making teeth more sensitive, prone to cavities, and discolored over time. Always dilute ACV with water, and consider using a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. 2. Digestive irritation. While ACV can aid digestion for some, it may worsen symptoms in others, especially people with acid reflux, gastritis, or ulcers. The acetic acid can irritate the esophagus and stomach lining, leading to heartburn, bloating, or nausea. 3. Throat burns and esophageal damage. There have been rare but serious reports of throat burns and esophageal injury after ingesting large amounts of undiluted vinegar. Children are especially vulnerable, so ACV should always be stored safely and never consumed straight from the bottle. 4. Skin burns, topical use. Applying undiluted ACV directly to the skin can cause chemical burns, especially on sensitive areas or broken skin. Always dilute with water and do a patch test before using it as a skin treatment. 5. Drug interactions and nutrient depletion. ACV may interact with certain medications, including diuretics, may worsen potassium depletion. Insulin or diabetes meds may dangerously lower blood sugar. Heart medications may alter potassium or fluid balance. ACV may also reduce potassium levels in the body when consumed in high doses over time, potentially leading to hypokalemia, low potassium levels. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting regular ACV consumption if you're on medications or have underlying health issues. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.